Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林執少 Joseph Lin, and this whole month we're teaching you the structure of How are you? I'm fine. How about you? 也就是好久不見。對啊，你好嗎？
按久冇看到。
按久冇看到 That means long time no see.
錯啊，唔好冇。
錯啊，唔好冇 That means yes. And how are you? Alright, sometimes 可能是好，可能是 so-so. 可是有时候真的生病了，你就会说，哎呀，最近身体不太好，一直跑医院或常感冒等等之类的。Okay, maybe you're not feeling too well at all, and you want to express that. Okay, let's say, 哎呀 I don't feel too well recently. I've been going to the hospital a lot. 最近身体不好，一直跑医院。
最近
that means lately.
身體唔好。
身體唔好 that means my body. 唔好 is not feeling well.
見走醫院。
Ooh, 見走醫院 The last two words, that means hospital. 見走 that means 一直跑，就是 I go there often.
那海陸腔身體身體
Oh, okay. A different dialect for your body. 再講一次。
身體
身體 as opposed to
身體
身體 Okay, that's a different dialect again for your body. Maybe it's not you. Maybe your family members are sick. So maybe you want to say, yeah, my mom is in the hospital lately. Okay? 也就是說我媽生病在住院。怎麼說呢？
牙妹拔片誒
牙妹 that means my mom. 爆片誒
生病
就是爆出病來了那種感覺。爆片誒 that means fell sick. 在住院。
帶片煙
帶片煙剛剛不是乙煙嗎？
哦，那醫院呢？其實我們也可以說病院嘛，所以乙煙
就有點像台語北醫那樣子。
對
Okay, because just, seconds ago we taught you that the hospital is 乙煙。
或者說
Or
片煙
片煙 is another way of saying it. It means a sick ward, basically. Okay, 所以後面那句再講一次。
帶片煙
帶片煙 that means staying at the hospital. Okay, or it could be your dad. 剛剛牙妹爆片誒 that means my mom is sick, or maybe my dad is sick.
牙爸
牙爸爆片誒 that means again is sick, and now they're staying at the hospital. All right, so now you know how to explain that situation. Hopefully you don't have to use this too often. 我希望大家不要常用到这个刚刚教的这个例句了哦，但是偶尔还是会生病哦，然后朋友的关心也谢谢他们，对不对？好，我们来 rate 一下怎么说。好久不见 ，Long time no see, and yes, how are you？ 对啊，你好嗎？
按久冇看到
按久冇看到
錯啊唔好冇
錯啊唔好冇 That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
按子 say 張磊了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.